A lot of people have acne and also suffer from acne scars. I understand it can be very annoying, but we will manage it together. Hi, I'm Dr. Jaspreet Kaur, a certified dermatologist with Cureskin, and today we'll talk about how to deal with acne scars. First things first. So why do acne scars even happen? It's because of collagen, which is a type of protein in your skin. So if you fill a hole in a wall with the help of cement, similar to that, whenever there is acne present, your skin tries to heal it with the help of collagen. So if there's excess of collagen, your skin gets rough and bumpy. And if less of collagen is present, it can cause some pits and depression which will lead to textured skin appearance. Now, are all these acne scars same? No. Depending on their shape and depth, these are categorized into different types. And one such type is atrophic scars. These are flat, depressed like pits on your skin. Atrophic scars are further categorized into different subtypes. Similar to atrophic scarring, which are like depressions, it can be hypertrophic scarring, which is bumpy and raised texture of the skin. Now here comes the main deal. How to treat acne scars? Number 1 is to treat your acne early. Early intervention is the key to treating acne scarring in the first place. So if you don't let your acne increase in size, number and let it grow, the scarring won't occur in first place. Number 2, say no to popping pimples and experiments. So when you get a pimple and you pop it, you put pressure on an already sensitive and inflamed skin, which can damage the inner lining of the tissue and can cause scarring. Also, try to avoid any kind of home remedies, specifically acne related, as the acne prone skin is already very inflamed and any kind of home remedies can aggravate it even further. Now, if you already have acne scars, what to do then? Fortunately, there are some very effective ingredients for this, but they should be carefully used by getting your scar type examined. I would suggest to get a dermatologist prescribed treatment for the same. If you get any product, any gel or serum from a general chemist or even online, its efficacy is quite less. In fact, at Cureskin, most of the people with acne prone skin also suffer from scars. We always suggest a complete routine which will target both of these concerns. Well, that's all for this video. If you have any queries regarding acne or acne scarring, please do leave a comment.